open your sorry, first digit book. I'm sharing the screen.
Ma'am,
Just
first
wait.
digit book chapter number.
Addition. Chapter addition.
Ma'am,
Chapter
Ma'am?
addition. Yes, yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Which time is the exam started?
Exam will start from 11, like the way your class has been starting. From that time, exam. I told everything in the parents teacher meeting. You all have not attended the meeting, and now means I can't solve the syllabus, right? Many times I have just given all the instructions in the school meeting. Already I have told everything, whatever details you need. That time you haven't heard anything, written anything, or did what I don't know. I have repeated everything from the first of the class up to now. 20 minutes I have invested. Okay, সো এরপরেও যদি আপনাদের কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে, সব কোশ্চেন আপনারা চ্যাট সেকশনে পুট করুন। চ্যাট সেকশনে পুট করলে তবেই আমি সলভ করতে পারবো। আমি ক্লিয়ারলি বাংলায় বললাম। आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग दिस थिंग इन हिंदी। जो भी क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों का प्लीज चैट सेक्शन में पुट करिए, हम लोग तभी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो लेट मी डू माय सिलेबस। आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी फॉर नाउ। So I'm just sharing the screen. Addition first digits. So here you have to do previous up to. Can you see all the screen? Samayan, sit please. Samayan, sit please. Samayan, sit. By raising your hand, you are moving around your room. Rajveer, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here add by breaking or counting the numbers. One sum I'm showing, rest of the sums you have to do back at your home. Okay. So here I am just doing few things. You just see that first sum is what? 163 plus 23. Now breaking means what? Yes, Amar. What happened? Why you are means most of yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen.
Okay. Esha, now what is the problem? I am not going to entertain any more problems. Please see it. 163. 163. First is 163 plus 23. This sum we are going to solve. Add by breaking or counting the numbers. Counting the numbers we all know. Just we will add like the way we used to add. Amar, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see you.
Saman, you're done for that. I hope. Rajveer, can you see my screen? What I'm showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, Esha and Saman, why you have raised your hand? I don't know. I haven't started anything. Saman, you will tell me that, ma'am, I done. So for that, I will not listen. So 163, you will see 160 plus 3 plus 20 plus 3. Like this way, we have to just break the sums. Why we have break? Because whenever there is 10 at the last, here you can solve the sums very easily, right? So here 160 plus 20 plus 3 plus 3. Like this way, we will arrange the sum. Now, while this type of small number or this type of easy number is there, we can solve the numbers, solve the sum very easily. So that 180 plus 6 it will be, and it will be 186. Okay, add by breaking or counting the numbers means like this way you can solve. Also like the normal way means what is what we have done previously, you can solve that also. Yes, Esha, what happened? Rest of the sums, please proceed, students. This page you need to solve out. Esha, what happened? Unmute yourself. Esha, what happened? Meghna, what happened?
ম্যাম এটা কপিতে করতে হবে?
Yes, you please speak in English. These things you have to do in copy. To your mothers and fathers, or in the to your parents, I can talk to Bengali. That doesn't mean that you can just speak Bengali in the class. Esha, what happened? Just unmute yourself. Rest of the sums you do. All the answers also posted in your school app. Okay, already posted it is. In the first digits answers, there is a folder inside maths first digit answers. There all the things are posted. From there you just please download the answers. Okay, after doing. Yes, Nadim, what happened? Nadim, what happened? Yes, 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 tell me. Isha, what happened? What happened? This page you just solve it out, and afterwards we will just show the next page.
ম্যাম, I
Yes,
have completed number 1.
yes. Number 2, 3, rest of the sums please complete like this way. Are Isha, I'm telling you repeatedly unmute yourself. What is this? Isha, unmute. Yes. এসা আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না তোমার কথা। So I'm showing you the answers. So this is your answer. Okay, I hope all of you can see. This is the answer of this. All the things are written. Please see it nicely. Like this way we can solve it. Okay, this picture is already posted.
এটা তো সবটাই আনসার।
Yeah, all the answers are written. Please speak in English. Don't speak in Bengali. I can just speak in Bengali with your guardian, but not with you. Try to understand this thing. Take a screenshot if possible. All those and rest of the pages are your homework. Okay, up to the page 20 means how much is your page is there. Those all are actually your homework. Okay, try to solve and give me the answers. Okay, try to solve it. Answers are already uploaded in your school app. The class will be end very soon. Okay.
Ma'am, I have not completed.